Yo, it's Lilith, and I just made the king of Wasia, aka Sonic, aka Asian Excellence, KURU. Alright, this is the KURU preset. I'm gonna play the original song, and then I'm playing my song, then you can see what it sounds like. Original song.
There was once I said okay, but I ain't even mean to. Hey, I was too anxious that day, but you know I was happy to see you. My little bro playing FFX, he just happy, he just got a piece too. Go on tour, so what's up to the fans, like okay, I was happy to meet you. I didn't mean to see too bad. I want the front seat, not the back of the plane when I go sit relax. I can't feel it, but my veins see them as they take it to the max. I know they don't understand my pain, it's okay, cause I can live with that. No, I could never live with rats.
Okay, and then this is my version with my preset of this song. Out of the song, I Can Live With That. You probably just heard that. Forgot to say it. I'm just gonna play a song.
Do it once on stage, okay, but I ain't even mean to. Hey, I was too anxious that day, but you know I was happy to see you. My little bro playing FFS, he's happy, he just got a pizza. Go on tour, face up to the fence, okay, I was happy to meet you. I didn't mean to treat you bad. I want the front seat, not the back. At the plane when I go sit relax. I can feel it up my veins, TMS, we take it to the max. I know they don't understand my pain, it's okay, cause I can live with it. No, I can never live with rest.
That was the KURU preset. Oh my god, the ad-libs are so good. Yo, they're so accurate. Oh my god, wait.
Do it once on stage, okay, but I ain't even mean to. Hey, I was too anxious that day, but you know I was happy to see you. My little bro playing FFS, he's happy, just got a pizza. Go on tour, so it's up to the fence, okay, I was happy to meet you.
Oh my god, this song is so good too. Okay. This is the autotune settings. In case you don't have it, it's just 0 and 0. Detune, it's detune. Turn off the detune. I don't know what it is with this song, bro. He did some weird stuff on it, because why is it -7? It's not even a thing that's normally on. I don't even know, bro. I use ChatGPT to get the key. No troll. It works like a charm, I'm telling you. You might gotta...
Hey, any preset makers out there, or like you get a beat and you know what the key is? I'm telling you, bro, it works like beautifully.
Anyways, this is the autotune. Same thing on the ad-lib. It's the exact same thing. Other than the fresh air, 3744. That's it. That's literally it. Except for the TDSer. I lied. Ooh, TDSer. TDSer is a free de-esser on the internet. You can just look up TDSer free or free de-esser. De-esser free. This is what I use right now because my waves is cooked, fried, done. It's actually like fully gone. I don't know what happened. I just woke up one morning and it was fried, so I'm just not using waves anymore. If the de-esser doesn't whoa. If the de-esser doesn't load for some reason, just go to the 3 lines and then go to presets and then male speech. Speech is way better. Vocals, I don't know what it is. It isn't strong enough, I think, or something like that. It doesn't do enough for me, dude. Then again, like I said, 0 0. Same thing with the detune. And that's it on the ad-lib. There's nothing really on there. Also, new thing I'm doing, whenever you buy the FLP, you'll get these colorways of the master and beat master. So you're gonna get the theme. The theme that I did was this blue thing. Looks really nice. I think it's like my best theme. Here's this background. You also get this, but I don't think you're gonna really want to use this unless you do. Hey man, hey, it's up to you, dude. Then how you get the picture, I'll show you how to get the picture, then I'll show you how to put in the theme. So how to get the picture is the easiest part. It's so easy. Literally view, background, settings, wallpaper. I'll then press on the file, I'll then open the file, then it opens in the background. I don't know what happens if it's not like a big enough size. So if you put like a random picture in there, I don't know what will happen. I don't know if it'll like make it like stretch out or it'll just like crop it. I don't know. Whatever happens, what happens. I can't. Okay, so how to put the theme inside your FL Studio to get it working. Literally, just go to image line.
Yo, did you just catch that, bro? I just said literally. Oh my god, I might have a lisp. Like actually, I think I do. Oh my god, the fans in the background is so loud. I'm so sorry.
Literally, just go to image line, go to FL Studio, go to settings, go to themes. Then you drag it into here. It's called KURU theme.fls themes. I don't even know why it's like. I'm going to show you how to get it for free in my Discord, and I'm going to show you how to get it on my website. By the way, masters are not free. The masters are $15 on my website. But if you buy the FLP, the KURU FLP, you'll get a template with everything in it already linked for you. You'll get a main, an extra, an ad-lib, and you'll get the beat master, the master. If you don't buy the FLP and you get it for free, you'll only get these 3 presets, the main, the extra, and the ad-lib, which are the main ones, but the master does so much. So, okay, on to the website. Okay, so we're here on the website. It's so good. Oh my god. Okay, first thing you want to do is just go to Lilith presets, all Lilith products, and then it should be here if you watch this video anytime soon. If you're watching it in the future, I'll tell you where to go after this. But look at the cover of it. Yo, that's actually the best thing I've ever made in my entire life, I think. Like, genuinely. Like, look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, and you can see you get everything that's included. Here's how to install. Right now, this still is my Tana video because this video isn't out yet or edited or anything. But also a thing on the website that's added new for all of my presets. There's a way to hear everything. So if you go to Oh My God 2, for example, there's before and afters on all of them. This is how you get it, right? If you are watching this video mad far in the future, just look up KURU. And mine might be the only one by then. Maybe Benevolent will have his up depending on when you watch it. But if you want this one, like specifically, look for this picture and you'll get it. So, oh my god, look at it again. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, now we're finally on the Discord where you can get them for free. All you gotta do is join the Discord. In the description below, you press on the link. It says Discord, then it has a link. You press on the link, join the server. You get to the welcome page. Then you go to the left, you scroll down, Lilith presets. You press on it. There you go. It'll be right here. It's not here yet because it's not posted yet. So, for example, last thing I posted was these, or where the point is, it'll be right under here. It'll say KURU main, KURU template, whatever the freak, you know. They'll be free. Then it might have a link to the page. I think I'm gonna stop doing that on the Discord because then I have to go through and change them if I ever change anything ever. I don't know. We'll see. But let's just take one last look at this. Oh my god, it's so good. Sorry. Okay. Back to FL. I think that is actually it. Go join the Discord. Go buy the preset, please. I'm broke. I need to pay my bills. Pretty please. All right. That's it. Bye.